Ang husay nung Ashtin.
Yes.
Sobrang natural.
Yes.
So I also watched Amance, first episode, which is just last night. And I was like, kaya to hit. Ang husay nung Ashtin.
Yes.
Sobrang natural.
Yes.
Is that the reason why she was cast?
Yes. Ashtin really nailed her audition. Boss Vic fought for her.
Wow.
So, and yun na nga, sinabi ko rin naman na, siya talaga yung nakikita kong JJ. Hindi lang alam ng mga tao is, maybe she got the role because she's good in the audition, but no, she worked hard for it. To be able to get that role, she had, years of hard work, of rejected, diba? Parang rejections.
Nagpipa pa nga yan.
Yeah, nagpipa pa yan,
diba?
naglits pa siya. So, in other words, nahasa siya. Nahone siya.
Hindi inabot na parang ganyan
hindi
lang.
inabot na parang ganon. That's why it was really a joy working with her kasi alam niyang blessing ito.
Siyempre may love team.
Yes.
Parang dalawang love team kasi siya,
Ash
diba?
Bin and Ash Dress. It was okay. They were very supportive. Kung alam lang nila, minsan kasi like pinagpipit minsan si Andres tsaka si Robin.
Yes,
But before si Andres pa minsan pinapasakay niya si Robin sa kotse niya, hinatid niya, nagbabonding sila. Si Robin really looks up to Andres as a kuya.